Welcome to all. In this video, we'll discuss Module 1 Differential Calculus, and the topic is length of the perpendicular from the pole to tangent and problem based on the pedal equation. Okay. So first we'll discuss length of the perpendicular from the pole to the tangent. After that, we'll discuss the pedal equation and based on the problem. Okay. So let O be the pole and OL be the initial line. Let O be the pole and OL be the initial line. OL be the initial line, and let P of r comma theta be any point on the curve. Let P of r comma theta be the any point on the curve, and hence we have OP. So this OP is R and LOP. So LOP, the angle is theta. Okay, so we can draw ON. So I draw ON. So that is a P. It is perpendicular from the pole onto the tangent at P, and let pi be the angle made by the radius of vector with the tangent. So from the figure, ONP is the 90 degree. Yes, it is a 90 degree because it is a perpendicular, and angle of LOP and angle of LOP is a theta. Yeah. So now from the right angle triangular of ONP, sin pi equal to ON divided by OP. Then sin pi equal, what is ON? That is P, and what is OP? That is R. So sin pi equal to P divided by R, or P equal to R into sin pi. So this is equation 1. Then cot pi equal to 1 by R into dr by d theta. This is the polar coordinate. So last video we discussed what cot pi equal to 1 by R into dr by d theta. So squaring equation 1 and taking the reciprocal, we get 1 divided by P square equal to 1 divided by R square into 1 divided by sin square pi, or 1 divided by P square equal to 1 divided by R square 1 plus R square pi. This is equation 2. Now using equation 2, what we'll get? 1 divided by P square equal to 1 divided by R square into 1 plus 1 divided by R square dr by d theta the whole square. So that is 1 divided by P square multiply 1 by R square inside, we will get 1 divided by R square plus 1 divided by R power 4 dr by d theta the whole square. So further, let us take 1 by R equal to U. So further, difference with respect to theta, will get, what will get? Minus 1 divided by R square dr by d theta equal to du by d theta, which implies 1 divided by R power 4 dr by d theta the whole square equal to du by d theta the whole square. So by squaring, thus 3 now become 1 divided by P square equal to U square plus du by d theta the whole square. Okay. So that is the pedal equation. So now we'll discuss the problem. So find the pedal equation of the following curve. The curve is R power m equal to a power m cos m theta plus sin m theta. Solution. So take log on both sides, apply log a power m and log ab form. What is log a power m? M into log r equal to, this is log a power m into log a plus log cos m theta plus sin m theta. So differentiate with respect to theta, will get m by r into dr by d theta equal to minus m sin m theta plus m cos m theta divided by cos m theta plus sin m theta. So we'll get m cancel, so m and this m cancel. 1 by r into dr by d theta equal to cos m theta minus sin m theta divided by cos m theta plus sin m theta. So you are taking cos m theta outside, we'll get 1 minus sin m theta divided by cos m theta, that is tan m theta. So cos m theta, here also taking cos m theta outside, we'll get 1 plus sin m theta divided by cos m theta, that is equal to tan m theta. So we know cot pi equal to cot pi by 4 plus m theta, which implies pi equal to pi by 4 plus m theta. Okay. So this term is 1 by r into dr by d theta equal to cot pi, and 1 minus tan m theta divided by 1 plus tan m theta equal to cot pi by 4 plus m theta. So cot and cot cancel, will get pi equal to pi by 4 plus m theta. Now consider the pedal equation. Consider p equal to r sin pi. Okay, r sin pi. So p equal to r sin, what is pi? Pi equal to pi by 4 plus m theta. So p equal to r into, this is sin a plus b formula. So sin a plus b formula, we know the sin a plus b formula, sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. So r equal to sin pi by 4 into cos m theta plus cos pi by 4 into sin m theta. So sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Okay, so that is p equal to, what is sin pi by 4 value? That is 1 by root 2. And what is cos pi by 4 value? That is also 1 by root 2. Okay, so both the answer is 1 by root 2. So p equal to, taking 1 by root 2 outside, we will get r divided by root 2. Remaining term is cos m theta and sin m theta. Okay, so sin, okay, see this one, yes, sin pi by 4 and cos pi by 4 value equal to 1 by root 2. So now we have r power m equal to, this is given the curve. So r power m equal to a power m cos m theta plus sin m theta. And the second equation is p equal to r divided by root 2 cos m theta plus sin m theta. This is taking opposite direction. What we'll get? We'll get r power m divided by a power m. First equation. And this is also, we have to take opposite direction. What will get? P into root 2 divided by r, because now right hand side cos m theta and here also right hand side cos m theta plus sin m theta is equal. So using 2 in 1, we will get r power m equal to a power m p root 2 divided by r. So if you are taking opposite direction, means we will get p into root 2 divided by r. So r power m equal to a power m p root 2 divided by r. Okay, and this one taking opposite direction, what will get? R power m into r equal to a power m into p root 2. Okay, so this is base are equal, adding the power, we will get r power m plus 1. So this is r power m plus 1 and root of 2 amp. So this is our required pedal equation. Okay, this is our required pedal equation. So that's all. The process is very simple. If you understand that angle, how to find the angle between the two curves or single curve, the same concept only we are applied, but here we'll introduce one new process, that is the pedal equation, p equal to r sin pi. Okay, so remaining all same procedure. Okay, so I hope you all understand the concept of pedal equation and how to find the pedal equation and how to solve the problem based on the pedal equation. Okay, yes, so if you have any doubt, means you can comment me or you can text me, you can call me, I will explain clearly. Yes, okay, thank you for watching this video.